The art of minimalism for a peaceful mind. Minimalism is more than just a design trend or a lifestyle buzzword. It's a philosophy that encourages living intentionally, focusing on what truly matters, and letting go of excess that weighs you down. In a world of noise, clutter, and constant demands for your attention, minimalism offers clarity, simplicity, and inner peace. By embracing this practice, you can create a more meaningful, less stressful, and deeply fulfilling life. This article explores the essence of minimalism, its benefits for a peaceful mind, and practical steps to incorporate it into your life. 1. Understanding minimalism. At its core, minimalism is about removing the unnecessary to make room for what adds value to your life. It's about decluttering your physical space and simplifying your mental, emotional, and digital worlds. Minimalism is a mindset that prioritizes quality over quantity and seeks freedom from the distractions that prevent you from focusing on what truly matters. Key principles of minimalism. Intentional living. Make conscious choices about spending your time, energy, and resources. Focus on value, keeping only what serves a purpose or brings joy. Simplicity. Embracing a less is more approach in every aspect of life. Freedom. Releasing attachment to material possessions, societal expectations, or negative thoughts. Minimalism is not about deprivation or living with as little as possible. Instead, it's about curating your life so that every element contributes to your well-being and peace of mind. 2. The connection between minimalism and a peaceful mind. Clutter, whether physical or mental, can create stress and overwhelm. A minimalist lifestyle, on the other hand, fosters a sense of calm and clarity. By simplifying your surroundings and commitments, you reduce decision fatigue, free up mental space, and cultivate an environment that nurtures peace. How minimalism promotes a peaceful mind. 1. Reduces overwhelm. A clutter-free space eliminates visual and mental distractions, making it easier to focus and relax. 2. Encourages mindfulness. By living with intention, you become more present and aware of your thoughts and actions. 3. Boosts emotional well-being. Letting go of possessions and commitments that no longer serve you creates emotional freedom. 4. Simplifies decision-making. You make decisions more effortlessly when you own less and have fewer obligations. 5. Improves relationships. You foster more profound and fulfilling relationships by prioritizing meaningful connections over material things. Minimalism helps you shift from a reactive state of constantly managing chaos to a proactive state of designing a life aligned with your values. 3. Benefits of minimalism for mental health. A minimalist approach can profoundly affect your mental health and overall well-being. Here are some key benefits. 1. Reduced stress. Clutter and excess can create a sense of physical and mental chaos. By simplifying your environment and lifestyle, you make a calm, orderly space that reduces stress. 2. Increased focus. When your surroundings are clean and organized, your mind can concentrate on the task without being distracted by unnecessary stimuli. 3. Enhanced emotional clarity. Letting go of items tied to past regrets or future anxieties helps you stay grounded in the present moment, fostering emotional clarity and stability. 4. Improved sleep. A clutter-free bedroom promotes better sleep quality, creating a tranquil, relaxing environment. 5. Greater gratitude. Minimalism helps you appreciate what you have rather than constantly seeking more, leading to a greater sense of contentment and gratitude. 4. Practical steps to embrace minimalism. Transitioning to a minimalist lifestyle doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small and gradually build habits that support simplicity and intent. Here's how. 1. Declutter your physical space. Start with one area. Focus on a single room, drawer, or closet. Remove items that are no longer useful or meaningful. Follow the 1-year rule. If you haven't used something in the past year, consider letting it go. Ask yourself key questions. Does this item add value to my life? Does it bring me joy? If not, it's time to let it go. Organize thoughtfully. Keep only what you need and find a designated place for everything. 2. Simplify your commitments. Learn to say no. Prioritize activities and obligations that align with your values and let go of those that drain your energy. Evaluate your calendar. Remove unnecessary meetings or events that don't serve your goals or well-being. Practice single tasking. Focus on one task at a time instead of juggling multiple responsibilities. 3. Create digital minimalism. Declutter your devices. Delete unused apps, old files, and irrelevant emails. Limit screen time. Set boundaries for social media and other digital distractions. Unsubscribe and unfollow. Reduce digital noise by unsubscribing from emails and unfollowing accounts that don't inspire or uplift you. 4. Cultivate mental minimalism. Practice mindfulness. Engage in meditation, deep breathing, or mindfulness exercises to declutter your thoughts. Limit negative self-talk. Challenge and replace limiting beliefs with positive affirmations. Simplify decision-making. Create routines or systems to reduce the daily decisions you need to make. 5. Focus on quality over quantity. Invest in meaningful items. Choose fewer high-quality possessions that serve multiple purposes or bring joy. Be intentional about purchases. Avoid impulsive buying by considering whether an item aligns with your values and needs. 5. Overcoming challenges in minimalism. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle may feel uncomfortable or challenging, especially if you're used to living with excess. Here are common obstacles and how to overcome them. 1. Emotional attachment. Letting go of sentimental items can be difficult. Please focus on the memories attached to the item rather than the object itself. Please take photos of sentimental items before donating them. 2. Fear of missing out. FOMO. The fear of letting go often stems from what-if scenarios. Remember that most things can be replaced if truly needed, and trust that you'll be okay without them. 3. Societal pressure. Consumer culture encourages accumulation. Stay grounded in your values, and remember why you chose minimalism in the first place. 4. Initial overwhelm. If you're unsure where to start, begin with small steps. Declutter a single drawer or shelf, and build momentum from there. 6. Minimalism as a long-term practice. Minimalism isn't a one-time task, it's an ongoing journey. Your definition of enough may change as you grow and evolve, and that's okay. Regularly reassess your possessions, commitments, and priorities to ensure they align with your values. Tips for maintaining minimalism. Adopt the one in, one out rule. For every new item you bring into your life, let go of one. Schedule regular check-ins. Set aside monthly time to declutter and reflect on your progress. Practice gratitude daily. Focus on what you already have rather than your lack. Stay mindful of accumulation. Avoid slipping back into old habits by being intentional about what you allow into your life. 7. Real-life examples of minimalism and peace. 1. Physical space. A minimalist home with fewer items creates a serene atmosphere, reducing mental clutter and providing a relaxing sanctuary. 2. Emotional well-being. Letting go of toxic relationships or unrealistic expectations frees you from unnecessary stress and fosters inner peace. 3. Digital freedom. Unplugging from constant notifications and social media allows you to focus on meaningful connections and present-moment experiences. 8. The deeper purpose of minimalism. Minimalism is ultimately about creating space for joy, creativity, relationships, and self-discovery. It's not just about owning less, it's about being more. By removing the distractions of excess, you can connect with what truly matters: your passions, purpose, and inner peace. Minimalism leads to clarity, a clearer understanding of your goals and values, freedom, liberation from the burden of materialism and societal expectations, fulfillment, a more profound sense of contentment and gratitude for what you have. Conclusion: the art of minimalism offers a path to a peaceful mind and a more intentional life. By simplifying your surroundings, commitments, and thoughts, you create space for what truly matters. Minimalism is not about deprivation, it's about choosing quality, mindfulness, and alignment with your values. Start small. Declutter one area, simplify one habit, or let go of one unnecessary thought. As you embrace minimalism, you'll discover that peace isn't found in accumulating more, but in appreciating what you already have and living purposefully. Transform your life today by embracing the art of minimalism, and watch as your mind finds clarity, your stress decreases, and your joy multiplies.